Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. This is video number 195 and we have come a long way and there are enough videos for anyone to understand the spoken Tamil and to be able to speak without much mistakes. And I know a few friends from this channel who have reached that level, therefore you can also do it. The key is to listen closely the pronunciation of each of the phrases and say that aloud, and that helps you to accelerate your learning. Now, what about this video? In this video, we are going to see something interesting. A word, just a word that has to be understood by context, and it can render different meaning at different situations. So as a learner, you will really find it both perplexing and equally funny when you see how the word can twist around and play around with different situations. The word that we are going to see today is Ooru or Ooru, meaning, here it gets interesting. It can mean town, city, village, native, and you can construct the phrase in town, out of town, and so forth. Listen to this phrase. Ninge yenda ooru. Here, as you speak, you can also say Ooru or Ooru. Both are the same. Ninge yenda ooru. Which place are you from? Or where do you come from? You can also ask Ninge yenga irundu varinga, which with no confusion translates to where are you coming from? Ninge yenda ooru. Ninge yenda ooru. Chennai tha en sonda ooru. Chennai is my native. Here, sonda ooru means native. Sonda means one's own. Ooru is the place. Sonda ooru. Chennai tha en sonda ooru. Look at this phrase. She says, Enga ooru Allikulam. Oru chinna kugramam, meaning my place is Allikulam, a small village. Kugramam means a very small village. So she says my ooru is Allikulam, and that doesn't give enough detail, and she says it is a small village, Kugramam. Enga ooru Allikulam, oru chinna kugramam. Now coming to the interesting phrase. Hey, நீ ஊர்ல இருக்கியா இல்ல hey, are you in town or so here what she's asking is are you in town? Here Ooru does not mean anything but to mean that you're just available within town or village, city or whatever. Now listen to this one. This is where you have to apply logic. Hey, why are you not, hey, you're not to be seen around. Did you travel anywhere out? Here, hey, எங்க பார்க்கவே முடியறதில்ல ஊருக்கு எங்கேயாவது போயிருந்தியா? Here, this is what you have to understand by context. Have you gone to Ooru? Means, have you gone out of city? It can mean you're native anywhere. You can be specific with the word veliyur, meaning outside city, but people oftentimes use just ஊருக்கு போயிருந்தியா? Hey, are you in town? Or hey, நீ ஊர்ல இருக்கியா இல்ல hey, you're not to be seen around. Did you travel anywhere out? Hey, எங்க பார்க்கவே முடியறதில்ல ஊருக்கு எங்கேயா போயிருந்தியா? Now you can understand with the phrase in Ooru, that is in the city, Ooruku poriya? Are you going to your native or to the town where you have your college or relatives place? Just anything. So Ooru is not anything specific. It's a place, but it can be played around in different contexts to mean different things. If you have watched the previous video, which is a 2-minute movie dialogue, the heroine of the movie is asking the hero, Ullura Velura, just local or outside of town. If you haven't watched it, you can click the link on top, just above the girl that takes you straight to the movie video. Therefore, when you listen the Ooru next time, you can understand just by context. I'll explain you a phrase now. Imagine someone, a lady, introduces another person, that's another lady saying, இவங்க என் friend, ஊர்லேருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க. Here it means, she's my friend and she has come from another place or town. And if she adds, எங்க ஊர்க்காரங்க தான், here it is confirmed that they both have the same town or place as native. This might seem like a small detail, but these are important when you have to keep up with the nuances of the language. Because unless explained in detail, you'll find it escaping your logic. By the by, you can follow Instagram, which can help you understand videos and phrases with different context to the situation. You will easily get a better grip of the language when you listen to more and more of it. I'll upload a phrase and a new word daily, and you can follow the Instagram channel Learn Speak Tamil. And for those of you new to this channel, this is the detail of the channel. Be sure to subscribe and like and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos. And for any clarification, you can write them in the description. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam.